The Barbell Stiff Leg Deadlift, also known as the Barbell Straight Leg Deadlift, primarily targets the hamstrings. The main difference between the Barbell Stiff Leg Deadlift and the Barbell Romanian Deadlift is the Stiff Leg Deadlift involves keeping the legs mostly straight with minimal knee bend. This places more focus on the hamstrings, while the Romanian Deadlift allows for more knee bend, thus engaging both the hamstrings and glutes. To get started, stand with your feet hip-width apart and the barbell on the floor in front of you. Grip the barbell with both hands just outside your legs using an overhand grip. Stand up tall with the barbell in your hands, keeping your back straight, shoulders back, and chest lifted. Your arms should be fully extended with the barbell resting against your thighs. Tighten your core by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Hinge at your hips and focus on pushing your hips and knees back as you lower the barbell towards the floor. Focus on hinging at the hips, not bending at the waist. You'll have a very slight bend in your knees rather than being completely locked. I like to think about flexing my quadriceps on the descent, which helps keep my knees straighter. Keep the barbell close to your body as you descend. Lower the barbell until you feel a good stretch in your hamstrings or until your back is almost parallel to the ground. Keep your back flat and core tight to avoid lower back strain. Your range of motion may depend on your flexibility. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement, avoiding rounding your lower back. Once you've reached the bottom of the movement, engage your hamstrings and glutes to reverse the motion. Push your hips forward as you lift the barbell back up to the starting position. Avoid leaning backward or hyperextending your spine at the top. Control the movement on the way down and up, focusing on feeling a stretch in your hamstrings. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.